Hey guys, I just want to give you a small update before I go to work. And so I just want to talk about three things right now. And that's just Bitcoin BTC dominance, the hash ribbon indicator that I used for buy signals, and the DXY, the dollar strength index, which is currently in a death spiral. Well, I wouldn't say a death spiral, but we are probably going to break the support and go further down as the money flow is getting worse and worse. And let's just start with the Bitcoin dominance. And right now we can see that the Bitcoin dominance is falling, and it's altcoin season. Ethereum's pumping like crazy, Cardano, XRP, all of these altcoins are going up very, very fast. And so at one point, this can't go on forever. Bitcoin will eventually start to come back up, and we have previous support right here. And I think we might just bounce off of here, form another W like we did there, and start going back up. Or we could always form something like this. We just go down, go up, go back down a bit, and then start going back up. And that's when Bitcoin's just gonna start mooning again, or going up very rapidly in price. And we could just take a look at the RSI, and it's bottoming out around these levels. So yeah. And to quickly talk about the hash ribbons, and these ones are very, very useful and reliable indicators. So back here at around the $17,000 price levels, when the buy indicator flashed and the capitulation happened, and then we had a cross, we had a beautiful run up, a huge run up of 206%. And this is actually where I bought some Bitcoin here, a large amount. When this buy indicator flashed right here, right there, I bought some, and it went up, until the next capitulation right here, when it crossed again. It went up around 43%, but I didn't sell here because I believed it would go higher. So I still up, 484%. Very good, very good. And for people who bought, down here, even better, right? Up 692. So these are really good indicators to buy. So right now we are in a little red zone, and we could cross back in. When it crosses back in, I'll probably buy some more Bitcoin and see where it takes us. But we are pretty high levels, and we're recovering from the drop that we had the other day. I don't know if this is the end. I think we could see some more downward pressure. Let me take a look right here. Yeah, so what I think could happen is we go back up. We could test maybe around this level. We have a resistance box here. We could test it, and if we don't break back into the triangle, we could just start going back down to the $53,000 level, maybe even lower. But the $53,000 level is where the next support is at. The support box is. So maybe I might be looking to place an order here, maybe a long here, or possibly a short order here, but with a pretty tight stop loss and not too much leverage. Been having some rough trades lately. I am working full time, so it's hard to monitor my trades, which I really like to do. I like to do some live monitoring of my trades and take some quick actions when needed. And I think someone in our group, Ben, had an amazing trade on Ethereum the other day, and he just placed another one again last night, and he's made a nice, I don't know how much he made, but he placed an order at 3785, and he made it some nice gains. Unfortunately, he did get stopped out on his next entry point, but we learn from our mistakes and we take the gains that we can get. And the final point, sorry, I went off track there. Final point that I want to cover is the dollar strength index. And basically, these are the weekly candles. And the fact that we had a red X here, and we are going back to test support again, and we failed to break out the downtrend, just, it hints to me that dollar is probably going to go down, it's going to lose its purchasing power. There's so much inflation. The Fed is saying there's no inflation. They could say whatever they want. They also said that housing market in 2008 was contained to only like regional bubbles, and it caused a nationwide collapse. So we gotta, don't trust the Fed. Don't fight the Fed, and don't trust the Fed. But really, guys, like when we look at the history, let me just go look. I drew something here on the monthly time frame. You can tell that the dollar has been going down. It's never surpassed its high. It's never been higher than like 129 purchasing power. It's only been going down. Maybe it trends up a bit, but eventually starts to go down again and makes new lows. Oops, didn't mean to draw that. And now I believe that we might be making new lows again. I just had a conversation with one of my friends. He's asking me about gold and stuff, and I told him he needs to get out the dollar. You don't stay in the dollar. Buy assets with real value. Buy real estate, gold, silver, Bitcoin. I'm buying Bitcoin as well, because I do believe it has value, and you can tell it's been going up, so it must have some sort of value. People that say that it has no value but it keeps going up in price, well, there's a discrepancy there. Things that maybe, like, yes, hype can take things up, but like Doge I believe doesn't really have value, but hype is taking it up. So someone believes that has value, so it's taking it up. Right? I don't believe that has value, but doesn't mean someone else doesn't think there's value in there, so that's why they're taking it up. Also, Elon Musk keeps tweeting about it, so that's pretty funny. Anyways, I'm going on now. I don't want to talk too long, and I got to go to work, guys. Also, we reached 100 subscribers. I just want to thank everyone for subbing. Thank you for your support, and join the Discord. We make trades. We make daily trades, and we're really good at it. All right, thanks, guys. I'll talk to you later. Peace.